Your idea to run far away may not be a bad one, Shinichi.
Oh, hey. Guess you were awake then, huh? Just run away. Yeah. And right when I'm finally so close to graduating. Your true nature shows when your life is on the line. And it turns out, I'm just pathetic. All I can think of is that I don't want to die. I want to live. And I want to keep living. I've often told Migi he's cold-blooded, but I don't have any right to say that. When all's said and done, I've only made it this far by stepping on those around me.
Shinichi, you're actually a pretty good guy, aren't you? The two of us have gone through a lot together, haven't we? So even if something bad happens, we'll be okay. We can make it.
No. I think that I might love you.